everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today I have a try on haul for you guys. I have accumulated a few items over the past month or so and I wanted to show them to you and try them on so you can see what they look like. So until then, just wait. If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie and I do a lot of videos on luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, mostly handbags. I love those a lot, but today we have a haul. So if any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask that you consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like and ding the little bell down there so that you're notified every time I upload. And without any further ado, guys, let's jump on into the video. The first item that I have right here is actually a bodysuit. This is meant to be worked out in, but like I kind of just use it for an outfit because it's really cute. This is by Skady. Is it Skady? Scotty? I'm not entirely sure. I'll link everything in the description, of course, by the way, but this is the cutest royal blue bodysuit and I normally would just wear this with like some white sneakers and a white jacket of some kind. It would be so freaking cute. I actually wore this like that the other day going to get groceries, but she is adorable and of course everything is going to be try on, so I will of course be trying this on for you. Yeah, it's really nice. It's so soft. It's very soft material. I haven't felt anything like this before. Does it have a tag in here to tell me what it's made of? 79% recycled polyester and 21% spandex. It's very comfy. I like it a lot. I actually got it in a medium just because I wasn't sure. On the website they say to size up if you want more coverage up top, and I do have a bit of a bigger chest, so I was afraid that if I got a small I was gonna be like spilling out the sides and I didn't want that to happen, so I did go with a medium. It fits really well actually. Maybe next time I would do a small, but the medium is just fine. But she's just so cute and she is insanely comfy. Next up, I got this little tank top from Abercrombie & Fitch. I love this tank top. Believe it or not, I actually saw this first on Caitlin Poloski and I thought it was so cute. She did like a haul of Abercrombie & Fitch items and it was just the cutest thing. So I bought it immediately after that and I got this in a medium. I definitely should have done a small because it does have a little extra fabric that I have to pull down, but it's not too bad. I did also order the white one as well and I ordered the white one in a small. Because I knew that's what my size was, but it's so cute. It's just like this little crop top and I love the neckline. It has the cutest little sweetheart neckline, and I also got these sweatpants from Abercrombie to go along with them, and these ones still have the tag in because I'm not 1,000,000% sure on these. I do like them. They're very comfy. They're just like some white sweatpants and they bunch up around the ankle right there and they're just very comfy. I got these in a medium as well and they are a bit oversized, but they're not too bad. I had to switch to recording on my phone, so I really hope it looks okay. My battery died and I forgot to charge another one, so yeah. Also, I can't see because I use the back cameras because the back cameras are, you know, better than the front facing camera, so I can't see myself, so I really hope it's focused. These are nice. They are a bit thinner than what I would like. I do have some sweatpants from Parallel Apparel and they're like super thick and really nice. I like them a lot. These ones are nice. They're very soft, very comfy, but they are a little bit thin, if you can see that. Like they're just a little bit sheer, but it's okay. It's just like around the house sweatpants, maybe, you know, popping out to the store, but it does have pockets right here. It's kind of like a cargo sweatpants. So it has your normal pockets on the side here and then it has like this flip pocket. I've already got chocolate stains on it. It's great for me. But yeah, I also picked these up. They're really cute and I like them a lot. You could wear them with like heels if you wanted to, or you could wear them with sneakers and it would just be a really cute outfit. Like this and this together, super cute. Next up, I got this sweater and this is actually from a Instagram person and her name is Delaney Child and I really like her vibe. I like her style and she has her own clothing brand with her boyfriend. They have Boyd, which is super cool, so I got this crew neck sweater and I love this sweater so much. I actually wore it in one of my latest videos, but I love this sweater so much. It says community built for greatness, so it's very cute. I like it a lot. It looks very 90s to me, so that's why I love it. It's like a dark navy color and then like, I don't know, like a beige. It's kind of like a yellowy or an orangey undertoned beige, but it's really, really nice. This thing is so soft. I love it. 2 literal pieces. So I got this, and I actually wear this after I do my tan. Like after I put my tanning stuff on, I'll put this sweater on and then like some biker shorts or something. So this is probably my favorite sweater at the moment for being like cozy around the house. I love it. Next up, you guys, I've got 2 sweaters from Totem. I have been obsessed with Totem. I love them. So the first one is this, and this is a off-white cable knit sweater. I got this in an extra small because I thought that they were like insanely oversized, because that's what it kind of sounded like on the website. They were like super duper oversized. Would recommend a size down, you know? So I did get an extra small on this, and I do wish I would have just gotten a regular small. It's still great. It's still oversized for me, but it is a little shorter than I thought, because the front bit is shorter than the back bit right here, as you can see. And I think the front bit is meant for you to like tuck into pants or tuck into jeans and stuff. So I'm not able to tuck it in as well as I would have liked to, but I still love this. It is 100% cashmere. I do believe, it doesn't say, but on the website it does. But I do think it's 100% cashmere, and this thing is just the softest sweater that I've ever felt. I definitely ordered the black one as well. I ordered the black one in a small, so I will do like a comparison between the extra small and a small. I'm 5'5" for reference, 165 centimeters. Yeah, I really like this. It's amazing. Totem is very pricey, but they are, you know, a really, really great brand. So I definitely love the cable knit. As you can see, it does have like a cable knit kind of pattern to it. So I'm obsessed with that. And this has probably become one of my favorite sweaters of all time. Excluding, I think my Balenciaga sweater is still #1, but this is probably #2. This is also from Totem, and this is the roll neck, it's like a turtleneck stracciatella sweater. I think I mentioned this in a previous video or something. I don't remember, but I love this sweater so much. It is one of my favorite sweaters. It's so chunky and beautiful. I love the black and white knit. I rolled up the sleeves twice so it would be like extra comfy, and it has a roll neck, and I do roll it down quite a bit just because I don't want it to like be, you know, like up here. But this is 1,000,000% one of my favorite sweaters. One thing that I have found out with Totem sweaters is that they do shed pretty badly, and I don't really know how to fix it. Like even that cable knit one sheds. If I'm wearing leggings like this right here already has like so much hair on it because I wore one of the Totem sweaters with the leggings. I don't know if it's just the leggings material, maybe that just loves to collect hair, but if I wear like slacks or like more dressy pants or a different type of material pant, it doesn't shed as badly. Still sheds, but not as bad. I wish I could make it stop shedding, and I don't know how to do that. So if anybody knows how to make Totem sweaters or just sweaters in general stop shedding, please let me know. This one, I'm not 1,000,000% sure what it's made of. Probably part wool, probably part cashmere. I was gonna say, let me Google it. Where's my phone? But I'm using my phone to film now. But yeah, I love this sweater. It's definitely one of my favorites, and it's so cozy and soft and comfortable, and I'm obsessed with it. The last thing I have to show you is actually in this box. It's from Farfetch, and I'm not keeping this item. I'm actually returning it to Farfetch, but I still have it, so I did want to just share it with you really quick while I still had it. It comes in this really nice dust bag. This is by the Frankie shop, and I just do not think the Frankie shop is for me. I love it when I see it on other people. I think it looks so nice, so cool, but I actually did order a bee blazer from Farfetch, like the Bia blazer, oversized one in the color latte. I loved it. It was great, but it was just so big, and I know that's the point. That's the vibe when it comes to Frankie shop. I understand that. I know that's the point, but it's just, I don't think that oversized is my style. I know like Alyssa Lenore wears that stuff, super oversized, and she rocks it. I tried that bee blazer on and I looked like a square. I don't know what it was, and I even got an extra small, but It's great quality, it's amazing, I loved it. I did return that one as well, so that's why it's not in this video. Looking back at it, I should have just done the try on just so I could put it in this video, but I forgot to do that. But it was just way too big, even for an extra small, and it just wasn't, I don't know, I didn't love it. I loved the quality and the craftsmanship, but it made me look like a box. But this, I actually saw from Cassie Thorpe, and she hauled this a while back. Had this on my wish list from Farfetch for a few months, and then I saw that it was on a 53% sale. So this thing is normally like 500 bucks, and I got it for 200 bucks, which is an insane deal. If that's still going on, I would highly recommend checking it out if you like this. But this is a sleeveless puffer kind of situation, and again, I did get this in a extra small, and I know this is very winter time. I bought this in like knowing that I would wear it during the winter, that I wouldn't wear it right now, but I really like this. I saw it on Cassie and she looked great. It comes with a belt tie right here, so you can like pull it and cinch in the waist because it's massive without the belt. But then again, once I used it, I just looked like a balloon. I looked weird. I didn't like the way that I looked with this on. I think if I was like in New York and it was snowing or something, I could get away with it, but just, I don't live in New York. And it doesn't, I don't know, I felt very odd in this. And again, I love the craftsmanship. It's very beautiful, and it's about this long, and it has 2 zips on the front. And it's very comfy, it's very cozy, it's really nice quality. It's just so big that I look like a hot air balloon. I don't know, even with the belt, it just kind of did one of these things to where it cinched in my waist, right, like it was supposed to, but then the top and the bottom were so like puffed out and big that it just didn't look right. I just don't think the Frankie shop is for me, but that's okay. I can admire it on other people, that's totally fine. But it does suck. I am going to be returning this as well. That's why I have everything already put on the Farfetch box, like the return labels and all that. So yeah, that was pretty much my haul, you guys. I really hope that you did enjoy this video. Please let me know in the comments what your favorite thing from this video was. And of course, I will have everything again linked in the description if you want to do a little shopperoo yourself. You guys, I really hope that you did enjoy this video. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and the subscribe if you want to. And be sure to ding the little bell down there so that you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!